Here's my 87 Jimmy S15 that I just bought. It's army green, it's 4-wheel drive. The engine is a 305 piece of junk that's seized. It's been swapped in by the previous owner. Trion 700 R4 with a transfer case that I have no clue what it is. So I have to pull the engine out, but I can't turn the engine over to remove the torque converter bolt, so I either have to pull the heads off to unseize it and somehow get it unseized, or pull the front diff out to get the engine ahead enough, because the engine is, the oil pan's pretty much hitting the front diff, so you can't pull it ahead enough to get the torque converter out. So it'll be swapped. I'm swapping in a 5.3 LSX that I'm putting in. Have to do all the wiring and clean up the wiring in this truck, or Jimmy, and that'll be fun. It'll be fun to be able to fit a radiator and fans because there's barely any room. And you see that the previous owner cut the rad support, but I have the piece so I can weld it back in. It'll be easier to pull the engine though, and it will be dropped 2 inches on the front and the back, so that'll be good. And I have a roll pen that I might be getting for the back, and a cowl hood that's fiberglass to make it look cool. So, next project for the channel. Hope you guys are gonna stay tuned and keep watching. Thanks.